how to sign up to Janitor AI. So if you want to sign up to Janitor AI, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Janitor AI. And after searching, here you will have janitorai.com. Click on that. And now you can simply go for register, which is on the upper right. And now to register to your account, first you need to enter your email address. And after entering your email address, here on the next blank, you have to create a password. So if you don't want to create your account with your email, then you can use your Twitter. You can register with your Twitter, or you can register using your Discord also. But I'll be entering my email address. So enter a password. And after creating your password, you can simply click on register. Now it says that please check your email to activate your account. So you need to open up your mail. And after opening your mail, here you have this, right? And now you will get this confirmation link, right? Click on that. And here you have to click on confirm email. And now it will take you to the profile. So now you have to create your profile. First, you need to enter your name. And then if you want to upload your avatar, then you can upload it. And then your username. And then you can update your email. But if you don't want to update it, then you can simply go for the next step. Here you have to write about yourself and then your appearance. So you can write anything that you would like, and then you can click on update profile. So that's it. And if you have any, so that's it. That's how you create your account. And now you can go and log into your account. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.